Now, speaking about the G2 phase. G2 phase is also called as growth phase 2. So G2 phase is also called as growth phase 2. It is called as gap phase 2. It is called as post synthetic phase because this phase will happen after completing the S phase. So it is a post synthetic phase, and it is also called as pre-mitotic phase because the cell will undergo the mitosis phase after completing the G2 phase. Now, what important MCQs which comes on G2 phase? G2 फेज में मेनली जो MCQ आते हैं वो आते हैं प्रोटीन्स के बारे में। कौन से वो प्रोटीन्स है जो कि सिंथेसिस होते हैं इन G2 फेज। वी हैव टू रिमेंबर कि इन G2 फेज द स्टार्टिंग ऑफ synthesis of non-histone protein which have takes place in G1 phase has continue up to the G2 phase. So here also continuation of non-histone protein synthesis will take place. So here non-histone proteins will get synthesized. Okay, if they have asked you about a histone protein, then the histone protein will get synthesized in S phase. Do remember this MCQ. Here the cell will synthesize histone proteins and non-histone proteins will get synthesized in G1 as well as in G2. It will start in G1 but continue up till the point of G2. Then secondly, tubulin protein, which is the most important protein for cell division. It is required for spindle fiber formation. It will get synthesized in this particular phase. Tubulin protein, which will help in the formation of spindle fiber, will get synthesized in G2 phase. Clear this thing? Then the cyclin dependent protein kinase, which are required for checking of cell cycle, is also synthesized in G2 phase. Cyclin dependent protein kinase will also get synthesized in G2 phase. G2 phase is mainly responsible for doubling of cell organelles. So doubling of cell organelles will mostly takes place in G2 phase except for centriole, because centriole has already doubled in S phase. Clear for this thing? And the G2 phase is also responsible for repairing of damaged DNA. So whatever the DNA is damaged in while synthesizing, while replicating the DNA content, is damaged DNA cell have to be repaired. Okay, this repairing of damaged DNA will be performed in the G2 phase. So this phase is responsible or will be utilized for repairing of damaged DNA. Now, after completing this much of activities in the G2 phase, the cell now enter into M phase. But before entering into M phase में जाने से पहले सेल को और एक माइनर चेक पॉइंट क्रॉस करना पड़ता है, and this is a checkpoint which is a minor checkpoint the cell have to cross before entering into M phase. This checkpoint is called as G2M transition checkpoint, or it is called as minor checkpoint. And for crossing this minor checkpoint, the cell will require a mitotic cyclin plus CDC2 kinase. So for crossing this checkpoint, the cell will require mitotic cyclin plus CDC2 kinase. This factor is also called as maturation promoting factor or MPF. So सो ये भी एक एमसीक्यू पूछा जाता है कि मैच्योरेशन प्रमोटिंग फैक्टर कहाँ लगता है। मैच्योरेशन प्रमोटिंग फैक्टर ये चेक पॉइंट क्रॉस करने के लिए लगता है। कौन सा चेक पॉइंट क्रॉस करने के लिए? G2 से M फेज में जाने का जो चेक पॉइंट है, ये एक माइनर चेक पॉइंट है, लेकिन इसे क्रॉस करने के लिए हमें मैच्योरेशन प्रमोटिंग फैक्टर्स की जरूरत होती है। सो ये वो सारे MCQs हैं जो स्पेसिफिकली इंटरफेस पे या तो उसकी सब स्टेजेस पे आते हैं। सो दीज आर ऑल द MCQs विच कम्स on the interface and the sub phases of interface. Now in the next video we'll start with the process of cell division proper, and we will start with the process of mitosis. Thank you.